So you got yourself a Bambu Lab 3D printer? Awesome choice. These machines are incredible. But now, you need something to catch all that filament poop shooting out of your printer. That's right. All those little bits of filament that get purged during printing can create quite the mess if you don't have a good solution. If you don't want poop all over your floor, the first thing you're going to need to print is a poop chute. This simple tool is a game changer. This little gadget catches all the excess filament, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. It's easy to print, takes just a few hours, and you can customize it to match your setup. If you're new to 3D printing, slicing the model is super easy. Just load it into your slicer software, choose your settings, and hit print. No more stray filament bits all over your desk or floor. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it makes a big difference. And there you go, a clean, efficient solution to a common problem. Plus, it's a fun little project to show off what your Bambu Lab 3D printer can do. So, what are you waiting for? Get printing, keep your workspace clean, and enjoy all the amazing creations you'll be making with your Bambu Lab 3D printer. Happy printing.
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply.